Hello, this is my quick review of these 5 pieces magnetic hooks. And if you're traveling and you need something on your cruise, or let's say back to school, your kids for their lockers, or you can use them also in a garage, these magnetic hooks are actually very good find. So I actually ordered some of this for our fridge, also put some stuff on my filing cabinet. And this one you can see they double hooks and they can hold capacity around 50 pounds. They come in a package of 5 and they're actually very strong. So as you can see right here, we have the 5 pieces. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and my husband here has the 5th one. That's how they look in the back. That's how they look in the front. They're actually very strong. And you can see when we try to put them on our filing cabinet, they're super strong. They really get there. It's really hard to remove them out. So yeah, if you're looking for some strong hooks for any places around your home or when you travel or for your kids' lockers, this one is a winner. Highly recommend to check them out. Thanks for watching.